Welcome to Engagi Tutorials. In today's session, we're diving deep into how you can harness the power of Engagi to supercharge your Facebook interactions. Whether you're an individual looking to stay connected with friends and family, a business owner aiming to engage with customers, or a social media manager striving for higher engagement rates, Engagi is your go-to AI-powered comment generator. Engagi is designed to save you time and amplify your social media presence with intelligent, personalized comments. By seamlessly integrating Engagi with Facebook, you'll be able to generate thoughtful and engaging comments that resonate with your audience and drive meaningful interactions. We'll guide you step by step through the process, from setting up your Engagi account to using it in real time on your Facebook posts. In this tutorial, we'll cover setting up Engagi and linking it to your Facebook account. You'll learn how to create personalized comments that capture attention and spark conversations. We'll also show you how to incorporate your product promotions seamlessly into your comments, boosting your marketing efforts. Let's get started and transform the way you interact on Facebook with the power of Engagi. Elevate your social media game and make every comment count. First, choose the post that you need to comment and click the Engagi icon on the comment box. Now the Engagi pop-up will open with the post description. Verify the description is fetched, and if you need to add more, just use this input. Now choose the mood that your generated comment needs. You can add your own custom mood using this option. Next section is for using emojis and comments. You can even enable or disable it. Next, let's move on to the response length. You can choose from brief, small, medium, big, or long options for the length of your response. Let's select medium for now. Next will be promotions section. If you need to add it, select the promotion, otherwise just skip this section. And at last, choose the AI model that you need to use for generating the comment. That's it, you have successfully configured the Engagi setup for this particular post. Click Generate. You will get the generated comments using the post description, mood, and promotions that you have selected. Now copy the comment using this button and close the Engagi pop-up. Move to the post comment section, paste the copied text, and comment it. That's it. You have successfully generated the comment with the help of Engagi. Thanks for watching this tutorial.